Alright people, it's been a while. Been working on the Rambler, and it's finally time to do the second hardest part of my job here, which is put the transmission in. But it's going. Put that piece of sheet steel underneath so that the wheels don't sink into this OSB sheet. And she's already off the ground. And then from here, I think I'm going to either use a jack or perhaps the pump cart to move her, keep bringing her up. And then I'm going to have to tie the yoke to a strap tie or something to pull it back that way so that it clears the input shaft. And then what I've got going on the inside. Quite the engineering feat. Just to get this old girl running by the end of the week. You do what you gotta do. And the transmission is also so heavy that I can't really move the jack by hand. I can kind of get it into spot by wiggling it side to side, but to move it that way, I actually had to use the crowbar like that to get it into the right place. Alright, as you can see, the jack is just about maxed out. But the transmission is at the point, almost at the point of it going in, as you can see. And my pants are almost at the point where they're just gonna fall. Oh, fuck. And now this is gonna work because I don't think I'm even gonna have to push the transmission in, because the incline of the chain hoist, as you can see, it's at an incline. So as I hoist it up, it's gonna at the same time push the transmission into the flywheel there, into the clutch. I changed the setup a little bit here because that previous setup just the little pipe bent. I was using a 1/2-inch plumbing pipe, and it actually bent in the middle with the weight of the transmission. So now I'm using a solid pipe, and that pipe actually slid off this way, and the whole thing just fell off. Of course, I don't have that on video, so I put this nail in here to prevent it from moving this way. I also hammered it with a sledgehammer like this, make sure it's sinking good into the that log. So I think that's pretty good considering I'm in Siberia.